My video guide is about removing the fake Chrome survey alerts come from the site Letteachshe.xyz. Some people may pretty suddenly see these strange pop-ups to attack their Google, Chrome and other browsers. These pop-ups are presented as some Chrome Search Contest 2022 alerts. This particular pop-up is presented as in German, so it says something in German here. I'm not an expert in German, so I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but the meaning is just as I have said. It means that it's some Chrome Search Contest 2022 alert. It says that you have made some 5 billionth search and that you have a chance of winning some prize, such as iPhone or Samsung Smart TV or some other gadget. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force people into wasting their money for nothing. Sometimes they may be forced and redirected to some other shady websites, or in some other cases these pop-ups may try to gather a lot of personal details about customers. And then if you share your details like your name, surname, email address, your data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So these are actually fake Chrome Search Contest 2022 alerts, and you must not trust them. These pop-ups may be the result of some adware in your system. So first thing you should do is to check the control panel and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. Get rid of them. We also recommend that you examine your device with Combo Cleaner. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching and investigating your system with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.